Greetings, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Installer Guru, your go-to destination for simplifying installations. Today, we have something exciting to dive into, a comprehensive system tweaker tool known as Winaero Tweaker. If you've ever felt the need to regain control over the ever-evolving Windows interface, this tool is your golden ticket. Head over to www.winaerotweaker.com to download this powerful utility. The installation process is a breeze, just follow the intuitive on-screen instructions. Once you've successfully installed Winaero Tweaker, launch the application. The interface is sleek, with a user-friendly menu at the top and an extensive list of tweaks and tricks neatly organized on the left-hand side. Let's explore the plethora of customization options at your fingertips. Whether you yearn for a nostalgic return to a classic menu style or desire the latest Windows appearance settings, Winaero Tweaker has you covered. Each tweak is accompanied by an informative article, ensuring you understand the implications before applying changes. In the realm of Windows 11, a single click can enable a full context menu, granting you quick access to a wealth of options. Modify window appearance, themes, behavior, and icons to tailor your computing experience. For those seeking a clutter-free environment, block Windows ads and suggestions effortlessly. While caution is advised, the tool even provides an option to disable Windows updates. However, keep in mind that consistent updates are crucial for security. Delving deeper, Winaero Tweaker allows you to fine-tune Windows Smart Filter and adjust Windows security applications. Take proactive measures by creating system restore points and registry backups. The Advanced Boot Options and Features section is a playground for those wanting to enhance startup performance. Tweak the Windows taskbar behavior, desktop settings, and add popular tools such as Command Prompt, Group Policy, and Snipping tools to your context menu. One unique feature lets you enable an advanced logon message, providing insights into why your Windows system might take longer to log in. Gain a deeper understanding of the processes running in the background. Before embarking on your tweaking adventure, exercise caution, especially when considering the disabling of Windows updates for security reasons. Ready to take control of your Windows experience? Download Winaero Tweaker now and unlock a realm of advanced customization options for your computer. If you find this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your tech-savvy friends and family, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. That's a wrap for now. Thank you for spending your time with Installer Guru, where installations become a breeze.